ya wepụta ihe ahụ itiri n'ime ara gị mara ara gị ji ibu wepụtacha datịrị itiri n'ime ara gị na ihe aka n'ime ara gị wepụta datịrị itiri n'ime ara gị put your hand there wepụta datịrị enweghị itiri n'ime ara gị.
I don't know how to speak Igbo. I'm not Igbo.
Where are you from?
I'm Yoruba.
Where in Yoruba?
Ogun State. Abeokuta.
So how you take no wetin I dey do you come interview?
Now my friend show me. Oh. My friend.
He show you wetin?
She always interprets for me.
Make I see who be that your friend.
Good afternoon, sir.
You come here. Call that your friend. Yaga. You want Igbo? Ele where ya?
I'm Onye Vibr, but I don't know how to speak friendly. But I understand very well.
You Onye Igbo. You don't know how to speak friendly and you understand very well. Shame to you. Shame to you. I say shame to you. Get out of this place. My sister, take phone.
That's no, sir.
You that is Yoruba. Don't you know how to speak Yoruba?
I can speak Yoruba.
Is it not a shame to that Igbo girl that don't know how to speak his mother's place?
The shame.
Come, don't laugh here. I know the laugh here.
Yes, sir.
You don't ever come my DM, come write to me, say make I come collect anything from you. I know the laugh here. Focus here. If you're not ready for this interview, get out of this place.
I'm ready, sir.
Don't come here to laugh here. What's there inside your picking food?
Brown.
Come out that thing where you make that thing come big. Come out and remove her from there.
Bra. Now wait. Bra. My breast be that. Now my bra.
Now be this.
Yes, now my breast be this. So.
Now your picking food be this.
Yes.
Now I'm big like this. I don't want laughter here. I said I don't want laughter here. Yes. If you are not serious, get out of this place. How old are you?
I'm 25.
You are 25.
Yes.
Keep that phone on the ground and stand up and go back. Ish, off that yellow light. Off that yellow light. Open the whole window. Open those doors. Let me see you clearly. Open doors. Open it so that I can see you clearly. Ish. Listen. Close curtain. Go to the window and stand.
Let me go to these lights. It's moonlight.
I hope you will not tell me lies here. You will be sincere and open to me.
Yes, sir.
Close that door. Go back. You don't go wear pants to come, Abby. Eh?
No.
That in a pants.
No, not the pants.
Turn. Go front. Carry reverse come. What happened to your bum bum?
Nothing.
Huh?
Nothing happened.
Waiting happened to your bum bum.
Nothing happened.
You think they laugh here? I know they laugh here. Waiting happened to your bum bum.
Nothing happened to Ram.
Huh?
Natural from God. From my mama.
I said, waiting happened to that bum bum. Waiting happened.
Nothing happened to it though. From my mom.
From which your mom?
From my mom. Now she give me.
They look at that wall. Look at that wall. Carry your phone. Watch Italia. Watch Italia. Well, we should watch Italia. And then I need the weekend. Come on, subscribe for that place. So you can subscribe or check out. Subscribe or like ya get share ya. Or what I am. And watch Italia. Get back. You just know what you have to share the game for. For what? Subscribe or for this place. Hey, listen. Hey, stand there. Focus. Stand there.
Yes, sir.
Remove your hand from your cheek. Remove your hand from your cheek. Put that phone for your face. Remove that your hand from your head. If you are smiling, I will bring you down. Focus. I say focus.
Yes, sir.
Put your phone for your face. What's your name?
Mami to.
Talk, lada.
Mami to.
I know they hear you well.
Mami to.
Waiting be your Yoruba name. Chileka Bagoko.
Bola Tito.
Bolatito.
Yes.
Bolatito, we tribe for Yoruba land you from?
Abekuta.
Where for Abeokuta?
Miss Abekuta. Abekuta North. Abek South.
I don't want to see that laughter for your face.
Yes, sir.
I don't want to see that laughter for your face. As your face and your head resemble Boris. I don't want to see that laughter for your face.
Yes, sir.
Come on, that hand for your face. It's like a bagoko. See as your face resemble Boris. Where children they use play. You can't come here, come they laugh. Can't resemble all these women where they sell abo. I don't want to see that laughter for your face. It's like a bagoko. Bingo. See as small as you are. You can't get up Bobby like this. Otele Rosanna. Waiting they make and do like that. If you laugh here, I bring you down. See as you can't resemble Zazu for head. You can't resemble her for face. You can't here, can't they laugh. If you laugh here, I bring you down.
Sorry, sir.
This say you fine. As you resemble portable for face, you come here, can't they open teeth for me? How many people? How many members of your family you get?
3.
You don't born for house.
No, I never born.
You never born. How many pikin you don't come out?
Like, no, the 3 na for my boyfriend. Or the 3 na for one man.
3 pikin are for how many people?
5.
What age you begin come up pikin? What age you begin the come up pikin?
23. And I did 23.
Which hospital you they go come out the pikin?
I don't know the name. Now the boys they drive me go there. Go come out.
Now medical doctor they remove them.
Yes. And I remove one with nurse. 2 na doctors. One with doctor, one with nurse. Then one I take medicine. Come out.
Social media and so people go still get your contact. I hope you know.
Yes.
Make I proceed.
Yes.
I don't want that scratching of head here.
Sorry.
I don't want that scratching of head here.
Sorry, sir.
Picky. He said that your name now waiting.
Mamito.
Huh?
Mamito.
Your Yoruba name.
Bolatito. Sorry. Bolatito.
Tito. Where they sincere pass Igbo women.
I know they come out any better. No,
you go first am.
No, but I mean,
say anybody where you did now na marriage.
No, I'm gonna take plan B till I see person ready to marry me. Then I will get belle. I can't get pregnant again. The ones where I get for they deceive me. So.
All this chop where they chop you, where they carry belle you, they come out up. Where they chop you this thing? Now for your house or for their house?
Their house. Not for their house.
You don't do roast before?
No. Together. Me and this my Igbo friend, we call a house together. Yearly.
Since when they born you, you don't ever go to hospital do lab for every test, like virus test.
Yes.
If they knock you, they mess.
No, I know they mess. Mess.
You don't ever see man Mbola before, where the man. You see Mbola for road, begin they look at.
No. Why would they look per se of man?
If they do camera down for WhatsApp.
God forbid. I know they do like that. I don't do that.
How many men you don't snap your carry send for WhatsApp?
I can't remember. I cannot remember. Maybe I don't do them before, but I cannot remember.
If they get conversion, this they get them.
No. But if I dare house, if I dare only me, they think, they talk to myself sometimes.
If they talk to yourself?
Yes, if only me day house, I talk to myself.
Now waiting I ask you be that.
Yes. But I know they walk up for road, they talk to myself.
You they talk to yourself till like
Yes, I talk to myself.
Half mental mad lady. Yaho onye shina de hemma wata onyara half mental mad girl. Since when they born you, you don't ever come out for road, you begin the fight with your fellow woman.
No, God forbid. I know the fighter.
You get those things where women they use put for their body, they touch themselves.
Rose?
You get waiting women they use touch themselves, you get them?
Yes, I get.
Eh?
I get, yes.
Okay. For what age you begin to use that thing?
Last year I began to use that.
Who teach you?
Nobody.
Oh yeah, go bring her come. Go bring her come. I said go bring her come. Don't make me angry here. Go and bring it and come.
See.
Okay. Oh yeah, on the other one. On them.
We they on.
Two of them they on.
Yes.
Hey, I know they laugh with you. Oh yeah, go and bring a knife. Go and bring a knife. Begin to cut it in my presence here. If you're ready for this interview. Yes, come here. Listen, you are too young to be using this. By the time you continue using this and you are addicted to it, it will make you will not have feelings for a man. Let us forget joke. Let us be sincere. I will not, because you are another tribe, and I will not tell you the truth. You want to marry. You want to have a future husband. At your early age, 24, 25, from you have started using this thing. Then what do you expect the old ones that are 60, 50 to be doing? Oh yeah, go and bring a knife. Go and bring a knife. Hey, listen to me. Draw the camera back very, very well. Then show me where you are cutting it. I want to see you cut it into pieces. Cut it pieces.
Okay.
2 of them. Drop the knife on the floor and be cutting it. I said, why you remove the cap? Hey, carry hammer, break that the arm. Break the arm, the arm. Break that arm. That white one is the arm. Break it. That yes, break it.
It's already square.
Tear it, remove it. I want to see it remove out of that thing. Condemn it. Be saying after me, I say, Ori Pai, be saying after me now. As I am breaking it.
As I am breaking it.
I am breaking anything that is not real in my life.
I am breaking anything that is not real in my life.
Fake arm.
This one cannot cut.
Say fake arm.
Fake arm.
Out.
Out.
Fake arm out.
Fake arm out.
Ish, that black one, cut it. That black one. Cut that black one. Bring that black one. Cut it, well.
You don't feel cut.
But I said destroy it, spoil. I said destroy it.
Don't spoil.
You say your name now, waiting.
Bolatito.
Eh? Bolatito, you go better for you. You no go die young. Evil things where you don't do, God go forgive you. Did they hear me? But promise me you will not use that thing again.
I will not use it again.
Listen, don't use it again. I use God beg you. Instead, you have to have a boyfriend and keep one when you want to marry your man. It is. Listen, don't use that thing again.
Yes.
Bolatito.
Sir?
You dey do woman to woman?
No.
You don't do it before?
No, I never done before.
What type of man you want? Make him come.
Tattoo and dread.
Eh?
Dark skin with tattoos and dread.
Now, thief you want to now. If I say make I cook my fine arm rubber for you, give you. Eh? If they laugh, it is how they laugh. It is how they laugh. It is how they laugh. If I cook my talk, maybe we'll maybe we'll find one arm rubber, high arm rubber where they abroad or where they Nigeria give you. You for talk I'm not that skin. Them you. That skin with the dread. That means now you go to feed the man. You for go Abuja, you go see all these boys for hotel where they buy bottled water, keep for table. They go keep them for table, they drink. Wear starch clothes, then wear. Then dress properly, they wait for person where go carry them. For go there, go find that skin red with tattoo and dreadlock. Other women, they find responsible men. You young as you are, they find tattoo man. Man, wear draw tattoo. You don't even talk better thing. Now man wear that tattoo with a spray for your head. Tomorrow night you go carry another belly from tattoo man. Genotype.
AA.
Blood group.
O positive.
Are you aware what we did here will be posted on social media? Should I proceed?
Yeah, no problem.
Call your phone number and listen. Before you call your phone number, hold your two ears. Take notes. This is Igbo platform. I personally, it's not as if I cannot be using English to be doing my program or broken.
Yeah.
But I want to tell you now, take note, we have good people in Igbo land, we have bad people in Igbo land. Are you hearing me? And take note that any Igbo man that comes to you, not all of them are good, and not all of them are bad. And some of them are people that live life of using you for another thing to get what they want. Are you hearing me? So, if you know, as a person, you are here and you are serious for a man that will pay your bride price from Igbo land, what you need to know that is very, very important in our tradition, in our culture, is you must ask questions to be sure that person have a family and that person have a place where he is coming out from. Are you hearing me now?
Yes, sir.
Eh?
Yes, sir.
Eh?
Yes, sir.
Then don't go and carry your money and give to any man.
Okay, sir.
Did you hear what I said?
Yes, sir.
Call your phone number.
090.
And I watch Italia. I watch Italia. Well, we should watch Italia. And I need the weekend. Come on, subscribe for that place. So you can subscribe, watch the Kabago. Subscribe or like, I get share. Or what I am. I watch Italia. Get back. They just know what I tackle shares again for what? Subscribe or for this place. Anybody will call you, say, you come visit them, no go visit them.
Yes.
Did they hear me?
Yes, sir. 090 4494 1967.